When I first bought this car, it had failed a warrant on its centre bearing, which I quickly replaced, and then lo and behold, it still was knocking on takeoff. So with lots of driving around, I worked out that it was the prop shaft that was misaligned. And of course, when I actually changed the centre bearing, I put it back exactly how it was in the centre of the car. And then I later found out that you had to have the centre bearing directly over to the right of the car. Through all the forums and information I found on the internet. And this is basically what I found in the forums. You hang 2 string lines on each prop with the centre bearing in the middle. And have a straight edge to go up against the string lines, which is basically your straight edge for the prop. Of course, I tightened it up with Loctite when I was done. You can basically see that the centre bearing is right over on the right hand side.